Hello guys, this is Umesh Mari and I welcome you all to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, as we all know, the Excel performs a very important role to prepare a sheets for engineering calculations. So as an engineer, we must have knowledge of Excel software. So in this session, we will learn how to add a data in the Excel cell. So here you can see in this cell there are names of some major cities such as Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. So how to insert this data in this cell? Just select the cell, go to data validation, select a list here and type the names of cities Mumbai, Pune, Delhi and Chennai. Press OK. So now here it is done. Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Chennai. Now if you want to remove this, how to do this? Just go to data point, select clear all, press OK and it's done. So hope you like our tutorials, and if you want to have a complete course of static equipments, just find a link in the description box. Thank you.